It's a Pyle backup camera, PLC M7700. Alright, some of the things I've done. My plan is to take it through the ceiling down to there, gonna hang it on the visor. So whenever I want to see behind me, I'll just put down the visor. The other part that's it, took out the tail light. To get these things out, you want to remove this red tag. Mine wouldn't come out until the red tag was all the way out. Once it's all the way out, this piece just comes out as a whole and slides over that. Strip these wires. I've stripped my purple wire or violet wire. I'm going to hook up Pyle's red wire to this one, Pyle's black wire to the ground. I'm just going to steal from anywhere. And I'll move on to the next step. I decided to go ahead and use their ground for my ground. Just keep the wires close together, not worry about that. Found out if I took it down through here on the side, I can get straight through the bumper. I'll put these through the bumper, tuck them up underneath here. Put my camera up here. I'm going to do the camera last so I know which way it's going to point before I actually mount it to something. And for now, it's going through my headliner to get all the way up there. Never pulled my headliner off before, but it looks like I have just enough cord left over to get all the way up there. Gonna find out. Alright. What I did was just pull these back a little, of these columns. Tuck the wire underneath there. For here, the wire is tucked right under the windowsill. Pulled this one off, pulled the one up front off. Got open enough leftover wire. Gonna mount it right here because I don't really need a vanity mirror. So I'm just probably gonna Velcro it or do something to make it a mount there. That way when the visor's closed, nobody knows it's there. Don't have to take it away and put it away all the time. Alright, for the next part, I'm going to drop the power supply on the floor. I'm going to tap into my CB radio wires. My first plan was to hook it up to the car stereo, so it never comes on when the car's off, which helps me from not having a drained battery. I'm going to run those wires up to here to get this part up to my visor. Alright, got a test run here. All I've done so far is taping the wires of the CB radio. This is its fuse box. It's got two connections. I guess you can put a second video on there. There's even a button on there that says AV1, AV2. This green wire that I thought I was going to hook up to a ground, I might still do that. I have no clue where that goes to. But right now it says no signal. Drop this guy in reverse, and there's the camera. It's staring straight at the garage floor right now. But back into park, and it went off. Turn off the key, and it's off, which is just what I want. So what I'm going to do is mount this up here somewhere. So I just pull down my visor when I want to back up, so I don't need to see out the front anyway. Will it be too low to go four-wheeling with? I don't think so, but... Okay, for the inside I have this. You know, it comes on, and it stays on. This says no signal. I'm not sure how hot this will get. I haven't taken the plastic wrap off, I don't think. So I'm going to find out if this is going to get hot or not. I might have to change the way it turns on, or it's a little on-off switch. I might have to turn it off all the time. But I'll drive around for it with it. I'll drive around with it for a day and see what happens. So it says no signal, you drop it into reverse, and there's your picture. I don't know how good you can see it. This green line for me is 2 feet. It's about 1.5 feet, and this is really close to less than 1 foot for the red line, which works out for me. You can do some weird things. You can not change the camera. That is, if you do want to hook up a second thing to it, you can get another video feed. But you can do this where the houses are reversed. This house that used to be on my left-hand side behind me, it's now on my right-hand side. You'll also do some upside down stuff. I guess if you want to put this camera on upside down or mount the lens back there upside down, and upside down reversed, and back to normal. Stay back in park, goes to its blue screen. It's just going to take me a while to find out if this is going to get too hot to leave on all the time. I'm just going to tuck it up there. I did leave this wire out instead of tucking it all the way in, just in case I have to pull this off. I can pull out its connection wire there. And this is just Velcroed to my vanity mirror back here. Alright, there you have it go. That's my installation of a Pyle 7-inch backup camera. And don't forget, never do what I do. Do it the right way. I'm in the custom business here, guys. Alright, don't forget to have fun on the trails and enjoy life. Welcome to Earth. Enjoy your stay.